Hi, I'm Kyler, the CEO of Morphed Tech. Have you ever found yourself wishing that your existing software had just one more feature, or that your website or app could do just a little bit more? You're not alone. Every business is unique, and sometimes the one-size-fits-all solutions that are out there just don't cut it. That's why we created our Bespoke Solutions service. Our mission is to help you unlock the full potential of your existing systems by designing and implementing custom software enhancements tailored specifically to your needs. Whether you've been struggling with a software that lacks a crucial feature, or you want to add more functionality to your website or app, our team can make it happen. We study your needs in detail, create a design that fits, and then carefully integrate our solution into your existing infrastructure. But we don't stop at just delivery. We stand by our solutions and offer support and maintenance, ensuring that our enhancements continue to serve you well as your needs evolve. With Morphed Tech's Bespoke Solutions, your software and systems can do more than you ever imagined possible. Thank you for considering Morphed Tech for your bespoke software needs. We're excited to work with you and take your systems to the next level. Oh, and by the way, this script was completely created using AI. Check out our AI services.